If you are also tired of these little mosquitoes and mosquitoes, today I will teach you a super effective method and with things you have at home. Here at my house we always do this and it works great. Before you learn, put here in the comments what city you are watching this video from. We start by putting coffee in a small cup. It can be one of those American cups, or whatever you have in your house. We will put as much coffee as we can fit in it. It will depend on the size of your cup, okay? Put the coffee in the cup and squeeze it, so that the coffee is well compacted. It has to be well compacted in the cup, because then we will make a kind of hole in the middle. Well, I left that much coffee, and now I'm going to reserve it. We will also need the candle wick, but only the wick, okay? So I'm going to cut this candle in the middle. As my glass is small, I won't need the whole wick, right? Now I will open a candle in the middle to remove the wick. While I am cutting it here, answer me a question. In your house, do you get a lot of mosquitoes inside your house and a lot of mosquitoes at night that you can't even open the window? There, I took the wick out. Just that little bit. Now I'm going to take my coffee again, and with the help of a knife, you are going to make a hole in the middle of the coffee, in order to open the space where you can put the wick. After this hole is made, we will put the wick inside and we will close it by compacting it again. Now the last ingredient we will use is cloves. Clove is great. They give off a smell that drives all the mosquitoes away. We are going to use 5 to 10 units. You can also put more according to your glass. And that's it, folks. Now just put the fire in the wick. It will go out and release only this smoke. The smoke will drive all the mosquitoes out of your house. Leave the window open, at least a little bit, so that the smoke can start coming out, okay? Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in Deuteronomy 20:4. For the Lord your God will accompany you and fight for you against your enemies, to give you victory. Once we accept the Lord as our Savior and King, He goes into battle on our behalf. He saves us and protects us from our enemies, whoever or whatever. It could be a military enemy, a co-worker, a disgruntled neighbor, or even a health challenge that confronts us, but God does not want us to be defeated by these things. It is through His heart that we should overcome any challenge and live a successful life. That was our tip today. See you next video. Bye.